Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Arish Asif Khan, and today we are going to be exploring the fundamental principles governing motion and forces. This unit will cover Newton's laws and key concept in dynamics. The Newton's first law of motion is also known as law of inertia. It states that if an is at rest, it will stay at rest. An object in motion will stay in motion with constant velocity. This holds unless a net external force acts upon it. When the net force is zero, the velocity change is also zero. That means acceleration is also zero. Now let's understand inertia. Inertia is an object's tendency to resist changes in the state of motion. More mass means more inertia, and it's harder to change the motion. External forces and motion. For example, a car brakes applies force, it stops the vehicle. The external forces causes the motion changes. The passengers slide when a car brakes. This is due to their inertia. And objects in space move continuously. They only stop with gravitational or other forces. Inertia in action. It is harder to push a large man than a small child. That is a direct result of inertia. The larger mass has greater resistance to changes in motion. Let's learn about the key takeaways of this topic. We learned that Newton's first law says that objects resist changes in motion unless acted upon by a net force. Inertia is the tendency of an object to resist changes in the state of motion, and mass and inertia means greater inertia. Mass is directly proportional to inertia. This affects how easily objects move. I hope you liked my lecture. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel so I can continue uploading these awesome videos for you all. Thank you.